She's gone, and you feel like it's all over. But what if I told you that things aren't as final as they seem? Right now, she might appear like she's moved on, but deep down, a conflict is unfolding inside her, a conflict she didn't expect. If you play your cards correctly, she won't just return, she'll come back, desperate for another shot. Breakups can feel like a slammed door, locked with no way to get back in. But the truth is, that door is not locked, it's simply ajar, waiting for the right moment to open again. Women don't leave without a reason, but they also don't forget the connection they shared, the bond they once felt. They don't forget the excitement, the laughter, and the comfort that being with you provided. Right now, she might seem emotionally distant, but what you don't see is that she's about to start questioning everything. She'll begin to feel that pull back toward you, and when it happens, it'll be on her terms. That's when she'll want to come back, but only if you handle it the right way. So, let's break this down. Step 1. The emotional aftershock. When a woman walks away, she convinces herself it's the best decision for both of you. At first, she feels strong, empowered by the idea that she's doing the right thing. She fills her time with distractions, goes out and surrounds herself with friends who assure her it's for the best. But then, the silence sets in. No more late night texts, no more check-ins, and no one who truly understands her anymore. That's when the reality hits. A common mistake men make after a breakup is assuming that she's completely fine. But here's the truth. Women feel it too, just at a different time. Initially, she might feel relieved, but as time passes, that relief turns into doubt, and doubt turns into regret. She'll wonder, did I make a mistake? Why am I not hearing from him? Why does something feel off? That's when the shift begins. Step 2. The power shift. Right now, she thinks she's in control. She expects you to chase her, to text her first, and to show her that you're still emotionally invested. But what happens when you don't? That's when everything changes. At first, she may enjoy her newfound freedom, but as the days drag into weeks, something unexpected begins to happen. Emptiness starts to creep in. The good memories begin to resurface, the way you made her laugh, the way you always knew exactly what to say, the feeling she had when you held her close. She realizes she doesn't have the upper hand anymore. This is the turning point, the moment when she recognizes, perhaps for the first time, that maybe, just maybe, you were more valuable to her than she had thought. But remember, this only works if you embrace the next step. Step 3. Leveling up without her. This is where most guys go wrong. They sit around waiting for something to change. They hope and pray she'll text them. They check her social media, hoping for a sign. But the men who truly get her attention, the ones who make her come back, they don't wait. They evolve. Here's the reality. Women don't return to men they pity. They come back to men they admire. So instead of passively waiting for her to realize what she lost, focus on becoming someone she can't ignore. Work on yourself. Hit the gym. Upgrade your confidence, dive deep into your passions. Do all of this not because you want her back, but because you deserve to be the best version of yourself. When she sees you've leveled up, the regret will slowly start to sink in, and she'll realize the value of what she once had. Step 4. When doubt hits her hard. It's late at night, and she's lying in bed, scrolling through her phone. Then, something shifts. Maybe she sees a picture of you looking better than ever. Perhaps she hears a song that takes her back to the moments you shared. Or maybe she's out with someone else and instead of feeling excited, she feels nothing. That's when the floodgates open, the emotions, the memories, and the regret she thought she'd left behind. She starts to realize that maybe she wasn't as over you as she thought, and suddenly, the idea of reaching out doesn't seem so crazy anymore. But here's the catch, she's not going to message you out of the blue without testing the waters first. Step 5. The unexpected message. One day, you're just going about your life, minding your own business, and suddenly, there it is. Her name pops up on your screen. It could be a casual "hey," or maybe "hope you're doing well," or something completely random. At first glance, it seems innocent, even trivial. But don't be fooled. This isn't just a message, it's a test. She's trying to see if you're still the same guy who would drop everything for her, or if you've actually changed. How you respond will determine everything. The worst thing you can do is jump back in too quickly. Instead, stay composed. Keep your responses light, short, and confident. Let her feel that sense of mystery. Let her wonder if she still has the same effect on you. That uncertainty will drive her crazy, and it's exactly what will make her want you more. Step 6. The final decision. By now, she's reevaluating everything. She might start texting you more often, reminiscing about old memories, or even suggesting you meet up. But here's the crucial part. You're not the same man she left behind. You've grown, you've changed, and now the question isn't whether she'll come back, it's whether you even want her back anymore. Most men spend too much time hoping for their ex to return without thinking about whether she's really the right person for them. Take a step back and assess the situation. Is she truly showing effort? Has she changed? Or is she just looking for comfort? This is your moment to decide. If she's genuinely changed and you still want her, take things slow. Make her prove that she's serious about the relationship. But if it seems like she's just lonely and trying to fill the void, then walk away with confidence. That's when she'll realize that you were the prize all along. Step 7. What if she doesn't come back? Let's face it, not every woman will come back. Sometimes she'll stick with her decision, convinced she made the right choice. Maybe she moves on with someone new. Life has a way of pulling people in different directions. But here's the important truth. You don't need her to return to win. This journey wasn't just about getting her back. It was about bettering yourself. You've become stronger, more confident, and more attractive than you ever were before. And that's a win, regardless of whether she returns. What happens next? When you fully embrace this mindset, that's when another woman, one who truly respects you, will enter your life. Whether it's her or someone else, you'll be in a place of strength, not desperation. So don't focus on whether she comes back. Focus on becoming the man any woman would be lucky to have. Now that you know the steps to make her think about you non-stop, it's all about playing it smart. The key is to shift the power, evolve into a better version of yourself, and let her feel the mystery that keeps her coming back. This isn't about playing games, it's about focusing on your own growth and letting her realize the value you truly bring into her life. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps get this content to more people who need it. And if you want more real, no-nonsense advice on relationships, self-improvement, and mastering attraction, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever had an ex come back after you worked on yourself? How did you handle it? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. This isn't just about making her want you back. It's about leveling up in every area of your life. So take control, stay focused, and remember, you are the prize. Stay strong, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.